What's up everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to easily change your Shopify store location. So let's get to it. First, you will have to open the Shopify page and sign in with your account. Then click on settings on the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, choose location. Here, it'll give you your default store location. Mine is located in Egypt. So I'll click on it. Here I can change the location name. It's not necessary, but let's name it default. Again, that's not necessary. You can leave it as it is. And here I can change the country. Let's change it to anything. Let's say China, for example. Here I can add the full address and plus apartment and city, province, and then postal code, and even the phone. And as you can see here, the flag changed. It's the Chinese flag now instead of the Egyptian. Then I'll click Save. Then you successfully change your Shopify store location.